1 year after the Haryana State Assembly passed the Employment of Local Candidates Bill, the BJP-JJP government ordered that the law providing for 75% reservation for locals in private sector jobs. And experts believe that this move could trigger exodus of large domestic and global firms.
To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
75% employment of local candidates प्रदेश में भाई दूज के दिन लागू हुआ। युवा को रोजगार देना हमारी सरकार का प्रथम लक्ष्य है। 75% एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ लोकल कैंडिडेट्स प्रदेश के मेरे युवा बहन भाइयों के लिए एक लैंडमार्क आने वाले समय में साबित होगा।
This law that kicks in from January 15 next year requires firms to reserve 75% of all jobs offering a salary of less than 30,000 rupees a month. This law will be applicable for a period of 10 years. However, upcoming IT companies and startups will be exempted for 2 years from hiring local candidates under Haryana's private sector job quota law.
कोई नया स्टार्टअप है जो हमारे प्रदेश में लगेगा, उसके लिए 2 साल की एग्जेम्पशन इस एक्ट में हम देने का काम करेंगे कि वो अपने आप को एस्टेब्लिश कर पाए। कोई भी आईटी कंपनी नई लगेगी, उसको भी एग्जेम्पशन का लाभ मिलेगा।
On the other hand, the industry has raised concern against the law, claiming that this would limit access to quality talent. This news could also trigger an exodus of large domestic and multinational investors across sectors such as auto, IT, that rely on highly skilled manpower.
It has not come completely as a surprise to us or the industry, though we are all disappointed that the law has finally taken shape. The industry has always been evaluating, if this law were to come in place, then what will happen? So there are a couple of things. One, a lot of the industry players are saying that, look, they're already invested in Haryana, so they would like to continue to be there. But at the same time, the future growth in terms of the employment, in terms of, the business opportunity that is coming in, and to kind of take that forward, I think increasingly there is a sense that how can we leverage, the hybrid work model, or let's say also the locations nearby, whether it's Noida or Delhi, to shift some of the jobs there.
Experts believe that job-producing companies may shift their base from Gurugram to neighbouring hubs such as New Delhi, Noida or even Jaipur. With Chetan Bhutani, Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
We're joined now by Sanjay Kapoor, President ACMA and immediate past Chairman CII Haryana. Sanjay, welcome to the show. My first question is, how are you anticipating this new development from the Haryana government that from January 15th next year, 75% of jobs in the private sector should be reserved for locals? How is it likely to impact significant players in the state?
Yeah, I think the first point in question is, what are the details of the plan? We're still awaiting to see the details in terms of how we define the 30,000 a month. Is it gross salary? Is it your basic salary, etc.? So we're awaiting the details from the government to see, how they've defined this. The second point is, anything restrictive does make us uncompetitive, because then we're not allowed to hire maybe the best talent and forced to hire outside of that. And therefore, it's not a great precedent to set. If other states follow this, it can create, more problems for us or more difficulties and more challenges for the industry at large. So we're not in favor of restrictive practices as such. However, as industry, we would like to support the government in terms of what their objectives are. And if employability and employment is their objective, then I think as an industry, we should work together with government to find the right solutions.
Absolutely. So that leads me to my next question, Sanjay, which is really how it's going to impact existing ops, because there are key domestic and global firms housed out of Haryana, particularly Gurgaon, that could be impacted, that could see a trigger or an exodus post this announcement.
It could well do. Like I said, when you have restrictions, it can make you uncompetitive, and it's a very competitive environment out there currently. So you want to do whatever you can to make sure you have the best talent, and we're all highly dependent on good talent. And that's really become the assets of our business is our people. So I feel that creating restrictions will have its own challenges.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.